Hello, my name is Michael Hager, and I am the Manager of Technical Assistance and Dissemination at the National Quality Center. And welcome to all of you who are joining us for our Friday, April 7th, end+disparities Learning Exchange office hours on communicating with youth. Before we start, I'd just like to go ahead and invite people to enter a little bit of information about themselves in the chat room. It helps us to make connections with each other while we're interacting on today's webinar, and also gives us an opportunity to, phone a friend later on. If we're connecting well and, wanting to reach out to some of our friends later on, it's just good to have a sense of, how to contact each other and where we're coming from. So I'll go ahead and start. Michael Hager, NGC, NY, end+disparities leader. There we go. Wonderful. And while we have folks chatting and entering their information in the chat room, I'm going to go ahead and move to the next slide. For those of you who are just joining us for the first time or who are watching the recording for the first time, the end+disparities Learning Exchange is a 9-month initiative that promotes application of improvement interventions to reduce our disparities in 4 key populations, all while building a community of learners among learning by HIV/AIDS program recipients. We offer a number of informational opportunities by content experts and also informal discussions such as this one, where you can come together as learning by HIV/AIDS program recipients and kick around the can for an important topic for an hour. If you haven't had a chance to check out our end+disparities Learning Exchange video, we encourage you to do that. You can find it on our YouTube channel at the link below, or you can go to end+disparitiesexchange.org and click on the promotional video right there on the homepage. It's a really great way to think about what we're trying to accomplish and the activities we have for you in this initiative, and it's a great way to share news with your colleagues and other community stakeholders in terms of what you're doing at your site or within your network to address disparities in HIV care outcomes. Office hours are an important part of this learning exchange. They happen on Fridays at 1 p.m. It's not every Friday. It's a variable schedule. So we encourage you to go to our website, end+disparities.org, click on events, and to find the office hours that you'd like to attend there. We also have them listed in our Facebook, and we also have been doing news alerts about them. So today's topic is communicating with youth, and we're really looking forward to a discussion with you all on important topics related to that. As we know, there's some key differences between perinatal and behaviorally infected folks, so that can affect communication. When we have youngsters who are testing for HIV and learning that they're positive, that's another issue in terms of identifying how to communicate sensitive information with youth and how to work with parents and all of that. I know that there's some differences depending on where we're at with that. So, today's topic really should be, a great discussion involving all of you on the phone around communicating with youth. So to help me with today's conversation, I have Noel Smith. He is based in Charlottesville, Virginia at the University of Virginia and is a Part D staff person there. Being a young man living with HIV himself has helped him to understand a lot about where the youth are coming from and in terms of thinking about key strategies in terms of communicating and interacting with youth. So I'm really happy to have Noel with me on the phone today. Noel, why don't you say hi? And I don't know if you have any interesting or opening comments or questions for the group to get us started.